Let's take a look at our natural gas, starting with our daily time frame. We can see for some days now we are actually on an uptrend move. If you are to see it, you can see our price pushes up, we see the pullback, we see the push up and the pullback, everything. We got here, we saw this push up. On the daily time frame we are analyzing from, we saw the pullback and now we saw this huge push up. But one thing I know is that we should be expecting another pullback. Will it pull back or a fall anytime very soon? Probably we should be having it tomorrow, as I've highlighted one of our level here. This serves as a resistance level. This was once our support level again, and our price is actually running to that level. Our level, it is about 8.162. We are currently trading at 7.786. So as we can see, and our price has actually closed around 7.786, but we will be having a drop, probably a pullback. If we continue to go up, then we will be having a pullback within this level here. But if we'll be having a reversal move, then within this level again we will be having a fall. So, and as we are trading it, I want you to also watch out for this key area here that I've just highlighted. We will be having it anytime soon. By the way, let's see it here, this key level here as our key level highlighted, which is about 8.14, which I've just highlighted. So as we are taking our buy tomorrow, as you know, we would want to take our buy tomorrow, we should also be expecting a fall around this area here. Be it will, maybe it will serve as a pullback, or it will serve as a reversal move downward on our natural gas, but I believe it will serve as a pullback, because I still believe our natural gas will still push up for this week before it close. At least for this week we should be aiming to hit this area, which is about 8.955. That is where I believe our natural gas will still push up to and close this week. This is where I am aiming for the week. But for tomorrow, or for the day as we are analyzing, which is on for the 21 of June, we should be expecting a fall within this area, which is about 8.14. That is my analysis that I'll be doing on this my natural gas. Let's take a look at our 4-hour time frame. As you can see, 4-hour time frame still an uptrend move. You can see the pull up, pull back, push up, pull back. Now we are actually having a push up, as you can see. So when our price openness and we have a little bit of a push up, right, then we should be expecting a pullback. As we can see, we are having a push up, pullback. We have see this push up and pullback here. Now see a bull run we've had here. We should be expecting a pullback very soon. So let us be very watchful. There's every likelihood we will be closing bearish tomorrow or on the 21. Depends on when you are watching it. So let's watch out for this on our 4-hour time frame. And now our 1-hour time frame, same thing too. As you can see, our 1-hour time frame here has opened bearish. Let's see if it will continue to go bearish more on our 1-hour time frame. So that is the analysis on our natural gas for the day.